Hey everyone, welcome back. If the TD Bank app stopped working right after an update, this is usually caused by temporary bugs or incomplete updates. Here's how to fix them. First of all, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for TD Bank, and then swipe it away to completely close it. Now wait for a while before reopening it. Next, restart your phone to clear update related system glitches. Now, head over to your App Store or Play Store and check if there is another update available. Sometimes fixes are released quickly. On Android, clear the TD Bank app cache from your phone settings. On iPhone, long press on the TD Bank app icon and then remove app, then delete app, then delete the app. Next, to reinstall, head over to your App Store, search for the TD Bank US. Now, reinstall it from there to refresh the app filters. Once reinstalling, make sure your phone's operating system is also fully up to date. After these steps, the TD Bank app should work normally again after the update, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick